Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a camera. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, gray, light blue, and red. This drawing is 22 squares tall and 27 squares wide. Let's start with black and skip 4 squares from top to bottom. In the 7 squares, mark 15 vertically, top right 1, top right 3 horizontally, bottom right 2 horizontally, top right 2 vertically, top right 6 horizontally, bottom right 2 vertically, bottom right 1, from this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 4 horizontally. From this square, move right 21 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 7 horizontally. Top right 6 horizontally. Bottom right 7 horizontally. On this line, count 2 from right to left and below mark 1. Bottom left 5 vertically. Bottom right 2 diagonally. Bottom right 6 horizontally. Top right 2 diagonally. Top right 5 vertically. Top left 1. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 1. Bottom left 3 vertically. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 4 horizontally. Top right 1. Top right 3 vertically. Top left 1. Top left 4 horizontally. From this square, move left 6 horizontally. From this square, move right 6 horizontally. From this square, move down 14 vertically. From this square, move right 20 horizontally. Now, pixelers, let's color in all the squares we marked. I'd like to invite you to join the Pixeler Club, which is what we call our family here in Pixelados. All you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and that's it. Take the light blue color and fill in all these areas. Continue with gray, coloring this whole part. Now, with red, paint these sections. In the top corner, I leave a link to my Spanish channel where you'll find hundreds of step-by-step tutorials. If you don't speak Spanish, no problem, all the videos have subtitles. And that's it. Here's our drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. And if you made it this part, comment with the yellow emojis. Thank you so much, pixelers, for being here in another video. I'm sending you a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!